All right, I'm going to talk off the cuff and just be honest and transparent before I knock out tonight because I wanted to do a video about what's going on with me, my channel, and stuff like that. I already know that. Um, and I'm just being honest. A lot of people won't watch this video. That's been the pattern anytime I really talk about me or what I'm going through or the challenges. I get it. I don't know exactly why I get it. Well, I don't know why it is. And so I'm just doing research, and I know for a while, like I've had challenges on my YouTube channel, certain videos not getting views, certain videos getting views. Some of my oldest, like one of my oldest videos has always constantly gotten views. And I've always kind of wondered, okay, well, why is that? What's going on? And, I've asked some pretty heavy people in the YouTube area in this space of music producers, and they gave their answers, but I think they misinterpreted me reaching out for help as me just wanting to hear my voice. This community is diverse, and so I'm just checking in with my audience, not really checking in with other YouTubers or asking for help. I'm just putting this out there for anybody who cares that's a subscriber to my channel that wants to take a moment to listen. I have no control over all the viewers. I have been constantly reminded by many people out in the real world and on the internet of how many subscribers I have. But the reality is this: I may have this large number, but the engagement and all of that doesn't align. And so I'm doing research. There's tons of things like, for example, I was looking at my videos, and there's one video that always rises to the top. Just like, if you know me, one of my songs always rises to the top, and that's the Jill Scott instrumental that I did back in 2008. And my theory is that I think that video is telling people to find my channel, or thinks that my channel is a Jill Scott instrumental page. And I think that algorithmically, it's not really helpful to my brand. I don't think my videos are that bad. but when you look at the numbers say, oh, your videos are horrible. But there are so many points in the whole equation that I can't pinpoint on one thing. And I don't think anybody really can. So I'm just doing research and things like that. I've unlisted my Jill Scott video. And I bet a lot of you probably don't even know about it, but that's one of the things that I see on my analytics constantly at the top over and over again. Even if I do a run of like a lot of good review videos or keyboard videos, whatever, that video's still there. And if I don't get active on this platform, I take a break. That video's still there. It's evergreen. And I think that video is constantly telling YouTube that my channel isn't about beats or music production or anything. It's about this Jill Scott Crown Royal on Ice video. So much so that I was at a roller skating rink not too long ago, and I heard the DJ play that song, and there was never an official instrumental. But when I heard the instrumental part, it sounded like my YouTube video. And he spliced that, ripped it from YouTube, and spliced it back with the original song. So, I'm not really, I'm not sad because I've been that. I'm not frustrated. I've been that. I'm not angry or jealous. I've been all those things. I've been there and done that. What I am now is just analytical. But one of the things I'm going to do moving forward is like when I got something to say, I want to talk about it, I'm going to talk about it. And if the numbers say that the majority of the subscriber base doesn't care, that's so be it. That's the thing. The Jill Scott video is like one of my most evergreen videos, but it does not align with the overall picture of this channel. And it's been around the longest, almost like if you've been around from the beginning, you know my Soulja Boy videos and Top Box and all that stuff. It's been there. I mean, even today I just did a live stream and 10 people came. And I know I haven't been, but it's it's sort of like a bad feedback loop on my channel that's sort of kind of skewing the numbers a little bit. It's like, okay, well, if people aren't showing them, then why broadcast? And then when I stop broadcast so much, then less people. So it's like this feedback. There's a lot of stuff going on. So in all that, I want to say just thank you for everybody who still comes to this channel and watches the content. I really appreciate that. And I'm researching and I'm trying stuff and I'm seeing what's up, but I'm not really going to let this really define me as much as maybe I have mistakenly done in the past. And I'm just going to continue vibing it more, because I like to make stuff. I like to make videos. I like to make stuff. And it's even more stimulating when you have a large audience or a lot of people engaging and stuff like that. Like I just did this interview video that I thought was very interesting. I watched it a bunch of times. But when I look at it, barely 1% of people have looked at it. Like, I mean, I followed things to the T as far as algorithm is concerned and all this stuff, but there's still always a hole, and there's always going to be someone to come and say, well, I get that. It's never going to be perfect. But it's like, wow, okay, where is the disconnect? There's a disconnect. And I'm not really trying to blame the YouTube or the algorithm or me, but there is a disconnect somewhere. Maybe this Jill Scott video and other things. There's probably a lot of points of disconnect. I know that people move on. If I ask, what did you come for this channel, I'll get 10 million different answers. So with there being 10 different data points, how do you hit a target? So, but I just wanted to vibe and to speak what's on my mind as I try to push forward on this YouTube journey. It's sort of a rough patch for me right now. I'm okay, but it's rough. It's like I'm all right, but right now it's like I'm posting and creating content into like a big vacuum, a big void. And so what I'm going to be doing is sort of pruning some stuff, and maybe that might let the platform know, hey, this is what this channel is about, and experiment. But I just wanted to share my thoughts before I go to bed. Talk to y'all soon. Peace.